Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Last time we practiced basic addition. Today we will learn basic subtraction. Let's learn about the minus sign first. 1 alsig plus 1 alsig equals 2 alsigs. 1 plus 1 equals 2. This is plus. Plus means more. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 alsig minus 1 alsig equals nothing. 1 minus 1 equals 0. This is minus. Minus means less. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Remember this. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 6 minus 6 equals 0. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Wow, great job! Now let's learn minus 1. What is 10 minus 1? 10 equals 9 plus 1, 1 minus 1 equals 0. Remember, 10 minus 1 equals 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 equals 9 plus 1 minus 1. Look at the red 1 minus 1. 10 minus 1 equals 9 plus 0. What is 9 plus 0? Yes, 9! 10 minus 1 equals 9. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Then what is 9 minus 1? 9 equals 8 plus 1, 1 minus 1 equals 0. Remember? 9 minus 1 equals 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 equals 8 plus 1 minus 1. Look at the yellow 1 minus 1. 9 minus 1 equals 8 plus 0. What is 8 plus 0? Yes, 8! 9 minus 1 equals 8. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 9 minus 1 equals 8. It is so easy, isn't it? Let's try one more. What is 8 minus 1? 8 equals 7 plus 1, 1 minus 1 equals 0. Remember, 8 minus 1 equals 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equals 7 plus 1 minus 1. Look at the yellow 1 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equals 7 plus 0. What is 7 plus 0? Yes, 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Do you see a pattern? 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Great job! Plus 1 makes the next number. Minus 1 makes the previous number. Next time, we will learn minus 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Remember, you will need this next time. See you next time. Bye-bye.